Hello guys, hope everybody's keeping safe, in this time of oh God, this period we are just going on all over the globe. Today, I just want to show you guys what I did today. I did meat pie. Look at it, crispy meat pie. But I didn't show you the process, so I'm so sorry, but it's very simple though. What I did, I sieved my flour in a big bowl, then put some baking powder to the measurements required for the amount of the flour on the bowl. Then I put some nutmeg, cinnamon powder. Then I mix. I tip in a pinch of salt, a little bit of sugar, just a little bit of damolore sugar, a little bit. Then I mix. Then I put my butter, my cold frozen butter, and I mix. Then I dig a hole at the center. Then I put in some eggs. I broken some eggs and some milk, fresh cold milk from the fridge. Then I mix. Then I knead it a little bit. I don't over knead it so that all the butter doesn't melt at once, so that when it comes out, it become crunchy. So I knead. Then I cover it with a foil paper or cling film paper and leave in the fridge for about a few minutes, 30 minutes. Then I chop in my carrots, my onions, garlic, and peas. Then I fry it with minced meat. I fry in it olive oil. Then use a little bit of flour to thicken it a little bit. Then put some curry powder. I use curry powder. You can use any spice. Use anything, any flavor you want. I put a lot of curry powder and thyme. Then I began to cut then I knead it a little bit. I began to use a big bowl to cut it round, then put in the meat, then seal it up with wash it up with egg around it. Then I close it. Then I use my hand to close it. Then I use the fork to give it this mark on. You can see it. Then I did all these few bits. Then tip it in the oven, to bake. So it's ready now. Guys, my meat pie is ready. I'm going to have it too. I'm going to have some bits today. Then the rest, I will wrap them up and put it in the fridge. Maybe a couple of days. Just have it with a cup of tea or orange juice or any juice of your type or of your choice you fancy to drink. So guys, this is the meat pie. So please go and subscribe and leave your comments below. Let me have a taste and see. It's crunchy. Also inside. A bit wet inside because of the meat. Very lovely and nice. Crunchy. So I'm going to have it with this sweet pepper, cucumber, tomatoes, sprinkle with black crushed pepper on top. I'm going to have it at the side. So please, guys, I beg you all to go and subscribe on my channel and leave your comments and tell me what you feel about this meat pie today. I did. And keep subscribing, please, guys. Keep subscribing. And thank you. And have a lovely day. And remain blessed. And bye. Bye-bye.